Yeah, if you want to see how I got this cute look, then you need to keep watching this video. No, wait, can you see me wink? Hey YouTube fam, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl SJ here with real beauty, real food in real life. Today I am doing an unboxing. Yeah. And the reason I'm doing it is because I just got it in today and I was so excited to open it that I had to make sure that I share it with you all live. It came in this. When I first picked it up, I thought, well, damn, did BoxyCharm change the way they make their stuff? And then I got to looking at it and I'm like, okay. All right, so there's a UPS label there. But then when I flip it over to the other side, it says DHL. And then it says Lunar. Okay. I'm like, why does it got two shipping labels? And then I thought about it. Oh, I think I know what this is. Let's open it up and find out. Because I think I know exactly what it is. As you can see, it ain't open. I'm opening it now. I don't play about this stuff. I ain't going to pre-do nothing. I want to see it. Well, the first thing that comes out is this. Look at that. Bold, pretty, cute. And, wow. I knew to expect Manny, but I wasn't expecting the other ones. Okay, nice. Really cute card. All right, life's a drag. Oh, those colors look hot. 14 pan color palettes and cruelty free. All right, bring out the queen in you with this beautiful mix of neutral and bright colors that blend effortlessly. All right, and those models are She Cully, Alicia Ashley, and Farrah Hayes. I'm sorry if I butchered y'all names. I'm so sorry. I tried not to. I'm old. All right, so it's wrapped up, bubble wrap. I learned that from sending makeup in the mail. You gotta wrap this stuff up thoroughly, or it will be like all over the place. It's already gift wrapped for you. All right, so that looks like an initial. It's either L3 or B. I don't know which one it is. I'm just opening it. I already know what I had ordered. Alright, this is neat. They took time out to wrap it. That was nice. And then they bubble wrapped it again. Oh gosh, this is cool. Nice. This is really nice. I like that. I like the shine on there. I like the color. Good deal. Freaking good deal, y'all. Now let's get this thing open. Here we go. Here we go. Thought I was going to have to get some scissors. It's even nicer in person. Look at that. Nice. Okay. Now, oh, you can open it with me. Oh, be a queen. Look at the pretty mirror. Oh my. You know, that's cute. I like when they put the plastic in there because eyeshadows, unless they cream, they're going to be powdery and they will be all over the, and look at that. It's barely any in there, which is really good. But what triggered me to order this palette is because a lot of the palettes have the colors and just very few. This is like an equal mix to me. I am one of them people that will use the blues, the purples, the pinks, maybe the yellow if I'm wearing it. And then you got your neutral that's kind of a shiny, and definitely we always want a smoky eye. That's like a common color. And then did y'all see the brush? Okay, brush is already in there. This is a good travel with you palette. I like that. I like it. Alrighty, woohoo, yeah. I'm just gonna dip in here with this brush. Actually, hold on. Y'all know me and brushes. I gotta clean it. So I'll be right back. Okay, so had to clean my brush. If you know anything about me, excuse me. If you know anything about me, clean your brushes because you don't know what going on, what's on it. Clean your brushes. All right, so did that. I'm only gonna swipe a few of these colors because I need to see what they look like on my skin. So I'm gonna start off with this fishy. Now, everybody always say about the powder, it's gonna be there. It's not a big deal. If you don't like the powder, dip it in a little bit of water, or you could dip it in a little of paint, something. You can do that. You don't have to. All right, so that's what that looks like on me. I like it. Yeah. All right. Okay, pageant queen. I am a purple fan, so you know I gotta go that route too. And I can't believe I'm sitting here using the brush. Okay. What y'all thinking? I think I can make that work. And you know, if these colors aren't dark enough for you, I don't know what to do. But the pigment is really good in this. I needed high pigment because of the skin color that I have. And you can always add a little bit of liquid to make it tack on a little bit better. And you can also put your little paint pot base color on there or foundation. All right, so I'm done using the brush. But I am going to try this KK. K-A-I. I'm going to try that. I like that. I'm going to take this go-to palette with me. Hold on, let me. Okay, I'm going to take that with me. I'm going to take this palette with me when I go to Vegas. And I'm going to be wearing some colors, y'all. Now, I said I like those bright colors. I'm going to try this campy. Let's see how that comes out. Nice. All right, so for me, I am going to need a little bit, probably, I don't have any water with me right now, but a little bit more wet onto it to make the color be a little bit more bolder for me because of the color of my skin, because I see that it's not as bright as I want it to be. The color's fine, but I need it to be brighter because you got to realize it's darker skin. Now, those are my basic colors. That's the go-to. That's the reason I got this palette. Now, I want to try some of these other ones so I can at least try them, like the Legendary. I'm going to try that one. Yeah, if you can't use your fingers, what can you use, okay? Yes. Not only can you use this as the eyeshadow, this will be a nice highlighter. Yeah, blend that on in. Oh, yeah. I love it. I love it. I love it. Nice. I'm starting to realize if you don't have the highlighter, you can make the highlighter if you got a good shadow, right? All right, so now one thing I've not used before is white. So that's Cake Face. I'm going to try just to put that on there just to see what it's going to look like on me, period. I don't know if I will wear the white. If anything, I would probably take it and blend it with something. Would probably be the best thing, which I'm going to do that before this is over with. Now, one of the other colors I did want to try is Trade. And the reason I'm trying to Trade is because it is a type of brown. And it's not the shiny kind. So, let's try that one. Put enough on my little finger. Little finger. Okay. Alrighty. Alrighty. That looks really cool. That looks cool. It's got a little red hair. Okay. Hair. Okay. Somebody else's hair. Okay. That's looking cool. I liking that. Got a little red tint to it. Even though I'm looking at it as brown, they did a little bit more red pigment to it. But there's a mug in here that's even more browner. So I'm going to try that. Okay, what do you think? Now that one is something I could probably contour with, and that's just how it is on my skin. It's just it's more of a contour for me. So if I needed to contour and this is the only palette I have, it's great. I got my eyeshadows. I could use my let's see, did I don't think I did let's see, I didn't do Snatched, I don't believe. This right here, I would use that as my rouge. Oh, did we still say rouge? Okay. Excuse me. Blush. I know this blue. I know rouge. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put that back on there. Okay, so yeah, I think we could actually use that one for the blush as well. So I'm just saying, if I was to go on vacation and I didn't have everything, if I bring this one kit, I've got my eyeshadow in there, the colors that I probably would wear, the basics that I could wear. I've got a color that I could utilize as a rouge, which is really good. And then I have a color that I can use as a highlighter. And actually, if I was to use this as my rouge, and I got some clear lip gloss, I would actually add this to my lips and then blend it right on in with some lip gloss, and I got a color. So the palette is wonderful, and I like that it came with at least one brush. That is a good thing, because a lot of these cute palettes like these aren't coming with brushes. There's a very few out there that do, but this one does, and I'm really glad about this. I just not a fan of the cake face. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna take let's see, I'm gonna take Hunty. Let me show you Honey real quick here. Oh wait, did I try the black on? I probably didn't try the black, but let me take the Hunty. Actually, you know what? Yeah, let me take the Hunty, which is that one. Okay, so yeah, that's probably a color you could use better. It's gonna be better for the lighter skinned person, so that pretty much like counts me out. But that's okay. There's enough colors in here. Look at my face, I'm colorful. Colorful. Anyway, I had to try. I'm gonna try the shady, and the reason I'm gonna try the shady is because I needed to feel it. First of all, I like the way it just goes on my finger. Oh, that black. That's nice. That's gonna make a great smoky eye. If you do the basic smoky eye, I'm liking that. Good deal. Great job. I'm liking that. Cool. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna do a bunch of makeup looks while I'm on vacation and present them back to you all, guys. So yeah, I did pick this up. Did it come with an invoice? Yeah, no invoice, but it did come with this cute little card, and I believe I paid about $50 for it. So it's nice. I like it. It's definitely going to be the go-to palette for when I go on vacation. So I am definitely going to make sure I try to do some videos of this so you can see what I end up doing while I was on vacation. So yeah, I just wanted to share this unboxing with you all. I hope you all had a great day, and see y'all in the next video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And shout out MannyMua. Yes, dude. Yeah, got it. I like it. I like it. And all of his cohorts that worked with him on this. Y'all have a great day. And don't forget to hit that like button and share this video, please. Bye-bye. With my weird nose, I like that black though, girl. Ah! Wait a minute. I think I need to take a picture with this look. What y'all think? Ha! Ha! Yeah. Okay, Instagram. Yeah, you're getting a picture today.